This motor that came in that needed an impeller. This is what came out of it, and as can be seen, it was missing parts. So, and it's been there for a while. It's got a couple little issues. It'll start in gear because it's got a problem with the lower unit. It's hard to start, and the choke doesn't work because that wire right there is standard Mercury, older wiring. It's brittle, but to make the choke work, you could power that up. But in the wiring harness, we tried to get some good wire down there and just didn't happen. But I don't think that he was aware that if you pull the choke right there, you can choke the motor and make it start. Go ahead and start her.